In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana tags. Whether you're managing a team project or planning a personal task list, utilizing tags in Asana can dramatically enhance the way you organize and track your work. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to create, assign, and view tags effectively within the Asana platform. To kick off, let's navigate to the Asana website. Open your browser and type in www.asana.com. Once there, you'll see the option to log in. If you're already a member, just click log in to access your dashboard. For those who haven't set up an account yet, you'll want to click on either get started or try for free to begin. Now let's dive into creating tags, which is really the backbone of this functionality. When you're in the process of creating or editing a task, you'll have the opportunity to add tags. This can be done by typing the hashtag symbol, that's our files, right before the tag name you want to use. For instance, if it's an urgent task, you might type #urgent. It's that easy. Another way to add tags is directly in the tag field. So if you're in the task detail view, locate the tags field. There you can click on the add a tag button, enter the name of your new tag, and it will be appended to your task. This method is particularly handy if you prefer working within the detailed view. Next, let's talk about assigning these tags to tasks. Open any task that you want to tag. You can type the hashtag symbol followed by the desired tag name right in the comments or the task name field. If you have several tags to assign, just separate each tag with a comma. Once your tags are attached, they will appear at the top of the task details, making them easily identifiable whenever you review the task. As you work, you're likely to want to view tasks associated with a specific tag. The search bar is your friend here. Just type #term followed by the tag name to pull up all tasks linked with that tag. For a more refined search, take advantage of Asana's advanced search feature. It allows you to filter and view tasks by specific tags, which is helpful to get a bird's eye view of tasks across all your projects. Understanding how to navigate and leverage these tag functionalities can streamline your workflow, allowing for greater productivity and clarity. You can now effectively harness the power of Asana tags to keep your projects on track and well organized. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you find this information useful as you explore the capabilities of Asana further.